So hello and welcome back guys to another trade recap. So today we're going to be going through the trade that I had taken just now. It overall ended in a I had taken out partial here and all I had put my stop loss to break even and we got stopped out here. Then the market, as you can see, it eventually went and took out my overall draw. That was my overall draw on liquidity. Okay, so let's quickly jump right into the trade. So overall, if I go into the higher time frame, overall I had a pretty bullish bias as the 9:30 a.m. candle closed very bullish. The 5-minute time frame, if you see here, so this gave me a lot of confidence that the bias was overall bias or overall draw on liquidity was the new week opening gap. Oh, and there was also a 1 hour time frame FBG here. This 1 hour FBG. So now when I went to the 1 minute time frame, then I waited for the market to give me a sort of retracement. Market came back to this point, 5 minute fair value gap. Here if you can see, this is the 5 minute fair value gap. It gave us retracement. It gave a liquidity sweep. Then we got a proper change in the state displacement, but the only thing that was a little bit misplaced was we did get a change in state here in 1 minute time frame, but the market had already tapped the 1 hour FBG. So that's why my entry was a little bit high and I placed it around the 2 minute change in the state mark. So I captured this one. I considered this as my 2 minute change in the state. And when the market came a pull give a pullback here was my entry. Okay. So then the market initially went and kind of jumped around in the same price point and eventually it broke through my low hanging fruit and I had put my stop loss to break even and I had got stopped out here and I took out partial over here and here also. So as you can see overall my draw on liquidity was quite accurate, and if I had somehow gotten an entry over here, my stop loss was here. So I think I could have hold the trade for a long time. Okay, now I'll show you the trade recap in the session recording. So here I went out nicely, seeing the market here, and then the market in the 1 minute time frame it gave a liquidity sweep. Then I was waiting for my AM macro time to open. As you can see, it was 9:47 am. The AM macro had not had opened yet. So after that, I went and was just waiting for the opportunity. So here I thought I had missed my chance after we got deep displacement here, and you can see we got a very deep displacement here, and I was waiting for the market to give us a little bit pullback, then I can enter. So then I went on to the 30-second time frame and considered this as my change in the state, and I entered around here. So I was waiting for the nice pullback to at least come to this level. Yes, so as the market came here, then I had taken my entry and just waited for it. Like market came 1 point away from hitting my stop loss. So at this point, after this equal low got swept, I was pretty confident that the market will just rally from here. So yeah, after that the market initially did rally here. It took out this high, then again it came below. It didn't take out this high, but it formed another high. Then it came below. It almost took me out here. If you see here, yes. So if you see this point, this is the point the market exactly like took me out here. Like it was 1 point away from my stop loss. My stop loss was this high, this low, sorry. 1 minute. My stop loss placement was exactly here, just below this low, a little 1 point below this low. The market did sweep this low. Okay, I have had many time in my back testing that the market comes and sweeps the low here. So I put it a little bit low here, and that had eventually saved me from like stop getting stopped out early. Okay, but eventually everything it played out exactly as I had figured out. But since I've already taken out my position here, so this is not valid for me. So yeah, that was the trade, and hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, you can leave in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.